because you know what? My job, unless I decide to become a politician, right now my job is to be a singer for you guys. And I am opinionated and I have my thoughts. But you know, it's like this. I walked into the kitchen the other day. I went in there to make myself a sandwich. And my wife is in there and she's watching the news. And I said, turn that crap off while I'm making a sandwich. And she said, don't you feel obligated to your country to know what's going on? And I said, no. I said, I'm obligated to work hard, pay off your credit card bill every month, and I'm obligated to pay my taxes. I'm obligated to take care of what's going on under this roof. And I have a hard enough time taking care of myself, honestly, to be worrying about anybody else. She makes me look good on Instagram. That is only half of me. There's another side of that coin. And so it's just one of those things that like turn off the news, turn up the music, man, focus on things you can control. And I'll tell you this, it doesn't matter who gets elected. I'm gonna wake up the next day, I'm gonna love this country, I'm gonna work hard. You know what? And here's the thing. Be true to your team, and your team's America. And I'll tell you, there have been presidents that have been elected that I did not vote for, but the moment they were elected, I rooted for them every step of the way because I rooted for my country. And I'm telling you, that's what it is. We are blessed to live in this country. We're blessed. And you know, I want to sing y'all one here. I feel obligated every show to lift up the men and women that serve our country. That's the thing. We owe it to them. We owe it to them. And I think if instead of people putting political comments on Facebook or Instagram, if instead they put something uplifting to our veterans, our active duty servicemen and women, I think maybe there wouldn't be 22 veterans committing suicide every day. So my dad is a disabled veteran. I grew up at a VA hospital doing volunteer work with my dad, and so at an early age I just developed a great amount of love, respect, appreciation for the men and women that serve our country. So do we have any veterans active duty here tonight? Raise your hands. Okay, so I have to put this in. I have to say this every night. Kyle, my merch guy in the back, served 2 tours. Kyle has let me know that I am his wingman. He is single and I am his wingman. So for all you single girls who appreciate your freedom, you better go back there and give Kyle a hug. Okay? But I wrote this song because my heroes, they don't wear baseball gloves or football helmets. They don't strum guitars. My heroes wear dog tags. Growing up, I never cared too much for Superman. Guess he never could measure up next to my old man. There's no S on his chest, he's just an old weathered flag. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. My heroes wear dog tags and they stand tall right up on the wall of freedom. Yeah, those dog tags in the crosshairs, They're always right there when you need them. You can bet their boots will hit the ground running every time it hits the fan. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. Maybe it's not some country boy banging on an old guitar. It's not a politician preaching or a movie star. Now I'll tell you one thing that's a fact. It sure ain't that quarterback. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. My heroes wear tall tags and they stand tall, line up on the wall of freedom. Yeah, those dog tags in the crosshairs are always right there when you need them. You can bet their boots will hit the ground running every time it hits the fan. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. There's a star-spangled covered coffin, a little boy watching his mama cry. Remember, it's more than just beer and barbecue when those fireworks fly. So raise your bottles to the boys and let's remember all the fallen and the price they had to pay. Hold them up high and salute all the ones who made it back and for the ones away from home. Don't forget to pray. Heroes wear dog tags and they stand tall, line up on the wall of freedom. Yeah, those dog tags in the crosshairs, they're always right there when you need them. You can bet their boots will hit the ground running every time it hits the fan. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. Everybody sing that with me. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. One more time. God knows my heroes don't wear capes. Growing up, I never cared too much for Superman. Guess he never could measure up next to my old man.